Oh yeah.
He's so cute.
He looks like that one
Okay.
from the Little Rascals.
Are we ready?
Can Grandma get off of the ground in there?
Get ready to blow out your candle.
Well, the candle's gonna melt.
And don't
Okay.
touch it.
Okay.
Do
No,
not
he did.
touch it.
It's far enough away. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Joey. Happy birthday to
Don't act
you.
like your brother now.
Hey.
He's gonna cry.
No crying.
Yeah, don't blow. Go blow.
Okay, blow it out.
Oh, get it closer. There you go.
No touchies.
Don't touch it.
Blow.
Ready?
Blow. Blow. Blow.
Blow.
Blow it.
Yay.
Here's a smile.
Joey, you got your train now.
Your train.
Now you can play with it.
Okay, so you're the next person. Okay.